Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn on or off the text cursor indicator on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is right click on the start button and then select settings. Select on the left side Bluetooth and devices, and then on the right side you want to go down to mouse and go ahead and left click on that. Go all the way to the bottom and select where it says mouse pointer, and then scroll down again and select text cursor underneath related settings. You can search for this as well in the search menu if you don't see it, so just search for text cursor or accessibility, and then you can go right here. And where it says text cursor indicator preview, you can see the preview up here, and if you want to turn it on, you can make the adjustment either larger or smaller. So again, pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.